गुड इव्हिनिंग 9th A च्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचे ऑनलाईन लर्निंग मध्ये मी स्वागत करतो. आपण सर्व व्यवस्थित व्हिडिओ पाहत आहात, त्याचा फीडबॅक चांगला आहे. मला नवी बद्दलच्या विद्यार्थ्यांबद्दल अजिबात शंका नाही. त्यांनी व्यवस्थित आपला होमवर्क सुद्धा वैयक्तिक माझ्या अकाउंटला पाठवलेला आहे. आपण आता डायरेक्ट विषयाला सुरुवात करूया. लास्ट टाइम we already discussed on the law of motion. The terms related with this topic, distance and displacement, then speed and velocity, then uniform motion, non-uniform motion. Now my first question is that, can you tell me what is uniform motion? मागच्या वेळेस आपण या दोन्ही व्याख्या एकत्र पाठ करून तुम्ही त्याबद्दल व्यवस्थित लिहिलेलं आहे. इफ ऑब्जेक्ट covered equal distance in equal interval of time. आणि मी एक उदाहरण दिलं होतं तुम्हाला कासारेचं. I remember that example also. If person covered equal distance in equal interval of time, such a motion is called as uniform motion. Then non-uniform motion मध्ये फक्त एक बदल होतोय. unequal distance in equal interval of time, then it is said to be non-uniform motion. Now we will discuss another important term, acceleration. Acceleration means त्वरण. Very simple concept. If a vehicle covered certain distance, before that we will talk about some symbols. A symbol used to denote the acceleration. U is the symbol which is used to indicate initial velocity. If certain vehicle starts from its stationary position, जर एखादी वस्तू, गाडी, कार, मोटर बाईक विराम अवस्थेतून जात असेल तर त्याचं u ची व्हॅल्यू always is equal to 0. That we say the initial velocity u. Then after certain times the velocity increase, may be degrees. असं काही नाहीये प्रत्येक वेळेस वेग वाढतच जाईल, नाही. कधी वेग कमी पण होईल, कधी तो वाढत जाईल. म्हणजेच आफ्टर सर्टन टाइम्स velocity may be degrees or increase. That we say the final velocity. in time t. In time t. Now, if you say that a car, a train, a bike, any vehicles, any object, when increase its speed after certain time, or sometimes when car is moving on the road, speed breaker, due to the speed breaker, we'll have to decrease the velocity. त्यावेळेस आपल्याला गती कमी करावी लागते. हा जो होणारा बदल आहे, या बदलाला ऍक्सलरेशन असं म्हणतात. इन शॉर्ट, द rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. The rate of change of velocity. Velocity may be increased, velocity certain time decrease, but after some times, that means A is equal to, if certain vehicles covered or starts from its initial velocity, it may be 0, it may be 10 km per hour. After some times, velocity became 15 kilometers per hour. That means a suddenly change in velocity in a certain time is called acceleration. That means if u is the initial velocity, v is the final velocity in time t, then A is equal to v minus u upon t. You know that all these terms involve in the acceleration is a vector quantity, and when we indicate the vector quantity, you must show the arrow above the symbol. That means A is the vector quantity. That is why when we write the A above, we'll have to show the arrows. चा अर्थ असा आहे की काय आहे, व्हेक्टर क्वांटिटी. म्हणजे लक्षात आलं तुमच्या, A म्हणजेच acceleration v minus u upon t. If vehicle starts from initial velocity, after time t, it occupies the final velocity v, then A is equal to v minus u upon t. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. समझलंय? The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. U is the initial velocity, v is the final in time t, then A is equal to v minus u upon t. This important formula that we obtain from acceleration. A is equal to v minus u upon t. My first question in this lecture: what is acceleration? What is acceleration? What is the formula of acceleration? What is the meaning of u, initial velocity, v, final velocity in time t, then A is equal to v minus u upon t. I think no any doubts. आता याच्यामध्ये आपण जर विचार केला, समजा vehicle starts from initial velocity 10 km per hour or per hour, okay. That means its initial velocity is 10 km. After time t or after 5 minutes of suppose 2 hours. After 2 hours, it occupies 15 kilometer per hour. Then what is the acceleration? A is equal to V minus U upon